If you're looking for dog toys rubber, here's a collection you've got to see. Pet lovers' most popular dog toys rubber. Number 1, most popular, by Maggift. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Snug. Number 3, by Kong. For more dog toys rubber, just click this circle. Number 4, by Multipet. Number 5, by Kong. Find these dog toys rubber at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Multipet. Number 9, by JW Pet. Discover more dog toys rubber ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Ethical Pets.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.